Okay guys, I got another situation. If I can find my hive tool. Oh, it's down here. I was going through these bees, wasn't seeing any brood in here, but I seen some eggs on this one. And when I pulled it out, 2 emergency cells. Well, those might be super seizure. They look a little fat. What do you guys think? Are they super seizure? I mean, they got them both capped. Thing is, on this frame, I don't see any other eggs. I don't see any eggs on this frame at all. So I'm going to leave that. And let me go on and see what else I find. Hopefully it's a super seizure, not an emergency cell. Oh, look down here. Got another big cell down here. And you can see I tore one open. Big old queen. Okay, so I'm guessing the cells are good. So I'm gonna leave them in there. I don't know what happened if this hive swarmed, or usually they would have more swarm cells in that one. There's a few drone brood left. Tell you what, I'm gonna go up in this top box, squeeze this back together kind of careful. Okay. Let me put them some food in here. Let me see. Well, it looks like they got food in this top box, because they're not making any brood right now. They're not going to need a lot of food right now. Beekeeping always brings you into some situations, but that's what I like about it. And here's a nice frame of food. Empty. Empty. A little bit of nectar, looks like wet nectar. They're starting to bring something in. Here's some food. Got more food here, more food there. And here's a big giant frame of food. And we got another one here. Okay, so they got plenty of food for now. We'll see if them queens come back mated. If not, we're gonna have to put them some brood or another queen. So far I got 2 failures in the yard. I have that one over there that I added some eggs to, and this one right here with 3 cells, 3 viable cells, it looks like. Hopefully we get a queen back mated. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, this is the hive right next door to it. Looks like I got good bee coverage. This is the top box. The bottom box is a medium. They may just be all up in this top box. We'll find out. I can tell right off the bat, this is a medium frame right here. I must have put it in here for food. A little bit of food left. A little bit of food. food and some fresh nectar they bring it in. Scrape this off. Let's see here. Well, spotty pattern. This is an older queen. Looks like it's gonna be, we'll see. We'll keep on moving on and see what's going on. By the way they're acting, they're kind of aggressive. Might want to replace this queen anyhow. There's the queen right there. Let me mark her so I can find her easier. Wow, they getting to me. These bees are mean. Hopefully I could, I'm gonna have to catch her and go mark her away from the nest. Now come back over here. She is a humongous queen. But right now, just ate. I mean, this pattern is just no good. I mean, you can see she's made it over the whole nest. And I do see where she's filled in. So why is it like this? Is it because she's bad? Or did they cannibalize some of the brood? Okay, I got her marked red. I'm gonna put, look, I mean, look how aggressive these bees are. So yeah, she's gonna be replaced. Looks like I'm gonna have to start my queen rearing a little bit early. They got some good weight to them, so I'm gonna just put that feeder back in. Let me go ahead and let her go. Come on out of there, mama. There she is right there. She's going back down. Okay, so now she's gonna be a little bit, get off of there. She's gonna be a little bit easier to find. Sorry guys about the bees, I got 2 hives that are really bad. Okay, I got 3 hives left to check. If they have anything interesting, I'll bring y'all back. My last 3. See what's going on in here. Looks like I got plenty of food up top for these. That's full, that's full, that's full of honey. Let's see, they got a lot of bees on this one. Let me see if it has some brood on this one. Yes, what they did, let me show you, make sure I don't drop my queen. I've done that before. You can see here how they cleared out all the honey, and this frame was almost in the center, and they've got brood they've laid up inside. It's hard to see on these white frames. Okay, let's look below. Let's see, do I have any more short frames? It's time to fill this box back out because when that flow hits, they're gonna be trying to spread out. Okay, now we got a full box. Some of Bob's Apu tablet. I find all my bees that I had those tablets in are very calm. I'm just going to pull a middle frame out and see what they're doing. Clean up that edge. Oh yeah, that's a good pattern right there. Okay, that's all I need to see. I got fresh larvae above. I got food, and food in this one. And a little bit of food right there. And I'm gonna come back this weekend and see if they started bringing in some nectar. Oh, nice. Full of nectar. Of course, I have a feed on this one. It might be feed that they're storing. Let me check the middle frames out. And I got full of eggs. She's got this side laid up with eggs, so no need to go any further. This is one I'm going to do a demarray on. She's got enough going on. There you can see her brood. They've got nectar in the center and pollen all the way around. Same thing on this side. All I need to do now is tilt them back and check for some swarm cells since they're so packed. There are a few cups, but not enough to worry about. Nothing charged. Okay, one more and then we finish for the day. And I'll be seeing them next week. All right, let me bring you a little bit closer. The bees are growing. The ones with queens are growing. Empty frame. Go to the middle. Give me some room to pull it out. Okay, I see drone brood. It's hatched out. You can see all, I don't know if you can see, I'm not showing you. You can see what's left hatching out. She relayed in the center. There's a lot of pollen mixed in here, but her pattern's good. Watch, I'll show you on the next one. When they start laying on a frame that had a lot of pollen in it, it could be a little spotty. But not like those other queens I was showing you. Like, see here? This is all nectar inside there. But you can see where the frame was in. She's still pretty good. So we're gonna let her continue on. I mean, she's got a full 2 boxes of bees. And these frames feel a little light. So I'm gonna add some sugar water. Okay, I got some sugar water. And another frame to put back. And folks, we are done. So I want to thank y'all for watching, and as usual, if y'all can please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and please leave me comments. I love to read the comments and I always answer them back.